Quinata looking. Look, look. The water is in all the people houses over there. Look, they got flooded out. Excuse me. The water. All the way over there. All the people houses is got a bunch of water. Look at our gate. But the water didn't come in our house because we up high. But look at my husband's truck. Look at it. Ooh. Look over there. Look. See the water to the truck? Look at, I'm about to show you my feet. Look. It's bad. Look over there. Yeah, all the people, they got water in their house. And the water is high, look. High.